Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 4. Chapter name is The Internet. Okay, so in my previous class I taught you uses of internet, and today I am going to teach you advantages and disadvantages of internet. Okay, so first heading is advantages of. In this we will see what are the advantages of internet. First of all I would like to tell you advantages means internet के फ़ायदे and disadvantages means internet के नुकसान. तो हम देखेंगे कि इसके क्या फ़ायदे और क्या नुकसान है. तो फर्स्ट है आपका फास्ट कम्युनिकेशन. मीन्स आप इंटरनेट के थ्रू जो है कम्युनिकेशन कर सकते हैं वेरी फास्ट. ओके, हियर nowadays you know very well, आपको पता है today's you are communicating very fast through the video calling and Facebook and all. So many websites are there where you can communicate very fast. Next one, abundant information. Abundant information means lots of knowledge you can get through the regarding your topic or your chapter or any other information. Got it? Next one, easy sharing. Easy sharing, if you would like to share anything, any pictures, any video, any music, you can share through internet very easy and fast. Okay, next one, online services and e-commerce. Means online services and e-commerce, you can transfer your money or can get back also your money through the internet or ATM. Next, cost saving. Cost saving means you can save your money also through the scanner and all, and also it is very easy. So internet you have seen here. Okay, but there are some more also, but here are only 4 or 5. Next we will see disadvantages of internet. So what are the disadvantages of internet? Virus threat means if you are downloading anything through the internet, surely there will be virus attacks. Next one, information lost. In your computer, if you have saved your data or information, anytime you can lose it. Why? Because if you are downloading any files, any music, any media, whatever you are downloading, surely a virus also coming with that file. Okay, so that means you can lose the information if you are not careful, if you have not डाउनलोड योर एंटीवायरस एंड ऑल. दैट मीन्स अगर आपके कंप्यूटर में एंटीवायरस डाउनलोड नहीं है तो आप जो है अपना डेटा और इन्फॉर्मेशन लॉस कर सकते हैं एनी टाइम. सो वी कैन नॉट फुली ट्रस्ट ऑन इट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट इट इज़ रॉन्ग, all the information are correct, but there is a risk to lose your data anytime because of virus only. Next one, your fast spreading of wrong information. Okay, this one, fast spreading of wrong information. Through the internet you can send any messages very fast, either it is wrong or either it is correct. You have seen when coronavirus started, there was many fake newses. Okay, and we were getting very fast and easy. So it is a wrong also. If we are spreading wrong information, that is not good. So we have to be careful and avoid these all the wrong things. Next one, spam. Spam means sometimes we are getting unnecessary email or unnecessary advertisement, and along with that virus also coming. So we have to avoid these all the unnecessary software or unnecessary email or unnecessary anything which we are getting from the internet. We should not click on that, we should not download, and we should not open that. If we will open, surely virus will be there. Okay, so we have to careful. If you want to open, you should have the knowledge of that, otherwise take help ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स, ऑफ योर टीचर। आपको कुछ भी डाउनलोड करने से पहले या क्लिक करने से पहले आपको अपने पेरेंट्स की हेल्प लेनी है या फिर टीचर की हेल्प लेनी है। बिकॉज क्योंकि आपको नहीं पता है कि जो भी ईमेल मैसेज है या जो भी आपको मिला है वो रॉन्ग है या राइट है। अगर आपने अननेसेसरी उस पर क्लिक कर दिया, डाउनलोड कर दिया, तो क्या होगा, उसके साथ वायरस आ जाएगा और आपका कंप्यूटर या फ़ोन जो भी है वो हैंग हो जाएगा। और अगर वो हैंग हो गया तो यू विल लॉस योर ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन, आप सारी इंफॉर्मेशन लॉस कर सकते हैं, आपका कंप्यूटर या मोबाइल ख़राब हो सकता है। तो आप जो है अननेसेसरी जो है नेट को, इंटरनेट को नहीं चलाना है। गॉट इट? बिकॉज इसमें कुछ फ़ायदे हैं बेटा, बट कुछ नुकसान भी हैं। तो यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल, आपको फुल्ली पता होना चाहिए कि क्या सही है और क्या गलत है। ओके, सो टुडे टिल हेयर I hope understood what are the advantages and disadvantages of internet. Okay, so next I will teach you in my next class.